What is this? Show me first. What is this? Tell me. Tell me the name. Quail. Quail. Quail means butter. Spelling?
Quail.
Very good. Sit down. Show me your card. Which card? Umbrella's card. Show me. Like this. Show me. Umbrella. Spell the umbrella. Yes. Very good. Sit down. Yes, you stand up first. Now show me. What is this? This is umbrella. This is क्या है? Yacht. Yacht. Yacht means समंदरी जहाज जिसको पर्दा लगा हुआ होता है. Good. Now you stand up. What is this? Show me. Show me like this. Rocket. Oh. What color is the rocket? I think sky blue. Yes? Yes. Now, you show me your color by letters flashcard. X, X-ray. X-ray. Good. Sit down. Now you squirrel. Squirrel. Yes. Sit down. Nice. What is this? Violin. Show me the violin picture. Show me the violin picture. Good. You, beside of you, Rehan, show me your flashcard. You have colored. What is the name of this flashcard? Watering can. Show me. Nice. Sit down. You stand up. Yasmin, show me your flashcard. Yes. Which flashcard of this? Tell me the picture name. Zip. Say loudly. Zip. Say loudly and spell. Z-I-P. Zip. Zip means chain. ठीक है. Now, Masira, stand up. Show me clearly what you have made. What is this? Tell me the name. Ice cream. Oh, delicious ice cream. You like na ice cream? Yes. Every students like the ice cream. And the big man also. Sit down. Show me your picture. What is this? Teapot. Well done. Nice adjustment of the color. Sit down. Now you show. What is this? Do you know the name of this picture? Leaf. If you don't, you can see at the bottom of the flashcard. There is written there. What is this? This is Leaf. Spelling the leaf.
L-E-A-F.
Yes. Nice adjustment. Nice. You are doing nice activities. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.